Hi, it's Mark again. Here's a clock that I bought off Goodwill sometime back. It's a 8-day clock, but the issue is the housing is made out of plaster. And if you watch my attempt to make some plastic gears, I bought some stuff at Hobby Lobby a while back, and it hardens like a rock. It's called Sculpt. So it cost me $16 for the Sculpt, but I think I can repair this clock housing with this material, because like I said, when it dries hard as a rock. So the first thing I need to do is take these 4 screws out, and this is the post that goes into the top of the clock so you can hang it on a wall, but the housing is all broken. So I'm going to attempt to repair this with this sculpted material. So let's get started. And like I said, first thing I need to do is take out those 4 screws. Sorry about the lighting in here. One of my light bulbs blew in my work area, and so it's kind of dark. I got the screws out of this cheap board back plate, and as you can see, the clock is ticking away, but I need to take the movement out so I can repair all this plaster. So that's what I'm gonna do next. And I could be wrong, but I think these 4 screws hold the movement in. So I'm going to take those out. In which I was right. Here's the movement out. It's made by PF Bollenbach Chicago Illinois, USA. It's a time-only clock, but it's fairly cheap. I thought it was cool. I just didn't realize that it was plastered housing. So now I need to figure out how to fix this housing. But like I said, the Sculpt dries hard as a rock. So I think it will work well. Me shaping it, on the other hand, I'm not an artist, but I will try to do the best I can do. I think it's going to have to be done in stages. So I need to let this first section harden before I continue on. Like I said, I'm not an artist. I'm not a sculptor. I wish my friend Julie was here. That way she could sculpt this, because she's a really good artist. I hope you all liking this video, and God bless.